We own a Fleetwood Discovery motorhome. We learn lessons with this thing every time we take it out. Last time we took it out, the hot water heater quit. Okay? Shouldn't be a big deal. You check the basic things, like the thermal fuse here, right here. Check the board, try to check it. Make sure the tube is clear and clean. You turn it on, you got power to the brown wire coming in. 12 volt when the hot water heater's turned on, even if nothing's happening. You do the basic checks. Well, I did the basic checks, came to the conclusion that the board was bad. Okay? At that point, there wasn't a burn mark on this. Okay? The board was bad. It wouldn't spark, it wouldn't fire, it wouldn't try and do anything. Wouldn't give any input back to the light that tells you that the fire failed. So we were up at Gig Harbor, so I ran over to Fife to Camping World, thinking, well, I'll just run in and pick up a board, you know. They're $109 on Amazon. So, good luck, they had the board in stock. The girl handed it to me. I went up to the counter to pay for it. She rang it up with my Good Sam discount. It was $396 with my discount. I'm sorry, folks, Camping World is not the place to go when you need something. It is the last place you want to go. I'll say no more. I put the board in after I ordered it from Amazon. Took 2 days to get here. Fired it up. I did have a little problem with this tube here. There was a little bit of a spider web in there. Just enough to restrict the flow of the gas, so it popped back out here and caught fire right here. When you have a little flame going up in this area, needless to say, it burned up the thermal fuse, which is what it's supposed to do, instead of burning up the whole motorhome. Okay? Once again, I repeat, do not trust Camping World for anything more than toilet paper, because they will overcharge you. They will rip you off like you won't believe. I went on their website, and even on their website, it showed that unit being $360. You had Washington State sales tax, and yeah, there's just $396. So, if you need something really bad, really bad, and you have to have it right now, go to Camping World, but bend over, because they're going to rape you. That's all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.